तो यार माइक्रोसॉफ्ट हायर करती है फॉर सपोर्ट इंजीनियर थ्रू दिस पर्टिकुलर चैलेंज, बट अगर तुम माइक्रोसॉफ्ट में जाते हो देयर आर सम इंटरनल ओपनिंग्स जहां से तुम स्विच कर सकते हो फ्रॉम सपोर्ट इंजीनियर टू सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर एंड अदर प्रोडक्ट रोल्स। तो इस वीडियो में हम जान रहे होंगे कि यार सपोर्ट इंजीनियर का काम क्या होता है, इस चैलेंज का एग्जैक्ट पर्पस क्या है, कौन इसमें एलिजिबल है, तुम कैसे पार्ट ले सकते हो, रिज्यूमे शॉर्टलिस्टिंग कितनी ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है। All those things that you need to know about Microsoft Fixathon 2023 are there in this video. Stay tuned with me till the end of this video. कितने राउंड्स होते हैं, उन राउंड्स में क्या क्या पूछा जाता है, हाउ कैन यू प्रिपेयर फॉर दोज राउंड्स एंड क्या तुम्हें इसमें अप्लाई करना चाहिए या नहीं। तो यार स्टार्ट करते हैं वीडियो को सबसे पहली चीज से। तो हेयर आई एम शोइंग यू द लैंडिंग पेज ऑफ Fixathon 2022. इट्स अ नेशनल लेवल हैकाथॉन फॉर फाइनल ईयर इंजीनियरिंग स्टूडेंट्स। इसमें बेसिकली माइक्रोसॉफ्ट हायर करती है फॉर द कस्टमर एक्सपीरियंस एंड सक्सेस टीम्स, लाइक दिस इज द वर्टिकल फॉर विच माइक्रोसॉफ्ट हायर्स थ्रू दिस पर्टिकुलर चैलेंज। इस पर्टिकुलर चैलेंज के लिए कौन एलिजिबल है, लाइक माइक्रोसॉफ्ट हैज बीन कंडक्टिंग दिस फ्रॉम पास्ट 2-3 years. 2023 पास आउट्स विल बी एलिजिबल फॉर दिस पर्टिकुलर ईयर, दैट इज द फाइनल ईयर। इसके बाद इसका लास्ट डेट ऑफ रजिस्ट्रेशन इज 16 September. This video is coming to you on 13 September. So there are only 2-3 days. If you want to register as soon as possible. After registration, there will be shortlisting phase based upon your resume and your profile. उसके बाद एक GD राउंड होगा, GD राउंड के बाद डिफरेंट अदर राउंड्स होंगे जिसको हम डिटेल में डिस्कस कर रहे होंगे इस पर्टिकुलर वीडियो में। तो सबसे पहले तो यार इस चैलेंज के थ्रू व्हाट काइंड ऑफ रोल्स डू यू गेट? यू गेट एन इंटर्नशिप एट माइक्रोसॉफ्ट फॉर अ सपोर्ट रोल. सो व्हेन आई से सपोर्ट रोल, you are someone who will be assisting software engineers who will be assisting customers to better implement the solutions that are delivered by Microsoft. Let's take a very simple example. Let's say you are working in Dynamics 365 team or Windows Office team. So there's a team who is building those particular softwares. Those are software engineers, and you as a support engineer would be interacting with customers, also taking their demands and would be putting things in place. Like let's say that's how that software can be utilized properly, that can reach to more people, how that particular solution can be implemented and can reach a wider audience. So all those things is what you as a support engineer would do. You might work in multiple different teams inside Microsoft. So this challenge is basically for support engineering roles. You'll be getting an internship at Microsoft for 3 months. If you are finally selected through this challenge, you'll be getting a stipend of 25,000 per month throughout your internship program. And once you get converted into a support engineer at Microsoft, you will be getting a salary which is close to 12 lakh. That's not the exact figure, but it would be in and around 12 lakhs. That is something that I could tell you. So if I talk about the entire process on how you can get into Microsoft through this particular challenge, सबसे पहले there will be resume shortlisting. That is very very important. You need to mention the significant projects that you have worked upon and any significant achievement that you have had till now. That is very very important. You need to mention those particular technologies that you know for getting shortlisted for this particular challenge. Once you are shortlisted for your resume, then there will be a GD round, that is group discussion round. You need to clear this group discussion round for moving on to the process of selection for this challenge. So what are the steps for getting into this particular competition? There is first test that will consist of aptitude questions and computer science questions. When I say computer science questions, those questions will be based upon computer science fundamentals. If I talk about the importance of fundamentals, so as per previous years, what has been seen is computer networks is a subject that is the most asked in those MCQs. So you need to focus on computer science fundamentals. Also, I'm taking a free session where we'll be talking about computer science fundamentals, what all topics you need to prepare from those computer science fundamentals. Along with that, I'll be reviewing your resumes, particularly for this particular challenge. This session is going to be conducted tomorrow, that is 14th of September at 9 p.m. So you can check for this particular session. It's a free session. The link is there in the description. You can enroll for this particular free session right now. Also, if you're preparing for GATE, there's a special combat test that is being organized by Unacademy. This particular combat test can get you 100% scholarships for GATE courses at Unacademy. Along with that, exciting gadgets is what you can win for. So there's a particular computer science challenge. I'll give the link to that also in the description. You can register for this particular test also if you're preparing for GATE 2023 or GATE 2024. So now if I talk about the tests that will be conducted, aptitude and CS fundamental test, it will be a 2.5 hours test conducted on a platform like Metal. Like last year they followed Metal, might change the platform, but the test pattern might remain the same. Then after that, there will be a 30 minutes behavioral test in which will be asked about generalized questions based upon your personality. So that is not something that is very typical. It just tests on how your personality looks like and how you are as a person. After this is done, then there's a video submission round in which you'll be asked 3 questions and you need to submit a 1-minute video for all those questions, like why you're fit for Microsoft, like why you want to join as a support engineer and all. So those video rounds are also very, very important. Like it's an important parameter for your shortlisting. So make sure you use words very consciously when you're telling about yourself in those videos. So after you're selected, there will be a breakthrough challenge. In this particular challenge, you will be having some sessions from Microsoft engineers upon technology like Azure, like Windows, like computer networks. And after that, you will be given a particular problem statement that you need to solve. That is basically a case that you need to solve. Once you solve that, guys, then you will be moving to the actual hackathon. There will be further phases of semi-final and final, and you will be getting interview opportunity at Microsoft. It would be HR interview as well as managerial interview. In managerial interview, you might be asked technical plus managerial questions, and those might revolve around data structural algorithms, again CS fundamentals, your projects. So overall, this is the challenge, and if you are passing out in 2023 and you are looking forward to a role in which you need to code less and manage more, then this is something that you can explore. Along with that, if you wish to move internally within Microsoft to software engineer role or product role, then you can do it after a specific time interval. So make sure you do check with this particular thing. If you're interested, do check out the link in the description and apply for it. Also, there's a special class, don't miss that. It's going to be really, very useful. If you have any questions, any doubts, do let me know in the comment section. See you in some other video. Till then, all the best, good luck.